Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, here in today's class we are going to discuss question answers of the unit first B, that is 3 days to see. Yes, we already finished this lesson and even we completed the even difficult words and with spellings. This also video we completed here. So, here in today's class, we are going to discuss the question answers. So, dear student, I will read the questions from the textbook. Okay, and then I will read the answer. And after completion of this video, I will send you PDF of this lesson. Got it? So you can easily write, you can easily complete the exercise of this chapter. Got it? Let's see one by one. I will read first question, then I will tell you answer. See here on page number 11, reading part. Okay, reading. In that what they told. Here I will read from textbook. Choose the right options to complete these sentences. So there they given options to you and you have to choose the right option from the given options. Okay, which is the correct one. So first question is Helen Keller was able to see many things because, so I will read the options. Option A, she was very sensitive to things around her. B, she used special spectacles. Or option C, she had corrective eye surgery done. So answer is option A. Okay, this is the answer. Option A. She was very sensitive to things around her. Okay, come to the second question. When Helen Keller would place her hand on a small tree, she could feel what she could feel? She could feel a happy bird singing because, yes, once again I will read. When Helen Keller would place her hand on a small tree, she could feel a happy bird singing because, what was the reason? Option A, the bird would fly about in the branches. Option B, of the special hearing aid she had, or of the vibrations in the tree caused by the singing. So, here answer is option C, of the vibrations in the tree caused by the singing. So, when birds were singing, yes, so there should be a vibration of the tree. So, she could get to know birds is singing there or something is there on the tree. Got it? Come to the third question. Sleep would elude Helen on that first day because, yes, what was the reason? Option A, she would be very tired. Option B, she was not used to artificial light which would be on since the evening. Or option C, she would be very excited to be able to see the world. So, answer is option C. She would be very excited to be able to see the world. Got it? Next, the fourth question is Helen Keller feels that of all the senses, sight must be the most delightful because, so Helen Keller, she was thinking there are five senses, yes or no, five senses, but she's thinking sight is a delightful. Why? It is most delightful. Why? What is the reason? Yes, so here options are there. Option A, there is much more to see than to hear, smell and taste. Option B, she was able to hear well but could not see. Or option C, she had been told so by her elders. So what was the reason? Yes, so answer is option A. There is much more to see than to hear, smell and taste. So she was thinking eyes are so delightful or most delightful thing. Got it? Yes. Now come to the question B. That is answer these questions. So here also I will read the question from textbook and I will explain the answer. Okay. So first question is, yes, what did Helen's friend see during her long walk in the woods? What was Helen's reaction? So here answer is, Helen's friend said that she saw nothing in particular when she went for a walk. Helen was surprised and dismayed on hearing this. Got it? So next question. Second. Okay. How was Helen able to recognize her friends? How she was recognized? Helen could see, here answer is say, Helen could see her friends by running her fingertips on their faces. She could detect laughter, sorrow, and other emotions on their faces. So she was just running her fingertips on others' faces. Okay, so she could find that whether this friend is happy or he is in sorrow. Okay, got it? Next, third question. How did Helen demonstrate that most people blessed with this sight do not really see? Yes, what she demonstrated, she did one experiment, yes or no? Yes, so here answer. Helen asked her friends to accurately describe the faces of five different friends. Okay, or another, the husbands of her friends to describe the color of their wives' eyes. So, most of the time they were embarrassed and couldn't answer. So, Helen, she did experiment. She just told them, she asked, just describe the five faces of your friends. And another one example, what she did, she told the husbands to find out or to describe the color of their wives' eyes. Okay, eyes color of their wife. So most of the friends, they just embarrassed and they couldn't answer because they not observe too much. Okay. Next, fourth one. Name the three places she would visit on the second day. Second day, what she did? Yes. So on the second day, Helen would like to visit the museums and the theater or a movie. Three things. See, three places: museum, theater, or movie. Got it? You can write any again one answer, so you can write yourself also. Okay. Next, fifth question. What was her wish for the third day? So Helen's wish was, what was the wish? Yes. So here answer, on the third day she would see the dawn and the working places of men. Got it? So on the third day, she wanted to see the down, okay, sunset scenery and the working places of the men where this man is going to work. Now, here question C. So question C is think and answer. Okay, think and answer is there. So while reading that question, what do you think? You have to write. So you can write in your own words. Here I written C. I will read. First I will read the question. Your eyes would touch and embrace every object that came within your range of vision. How can I touch and embrace objects? So here I written answer, eyes can touch and embrace every object by looking at everything lovingly and carefully. So if you are have another answer in your mind, you can write no issue. Okay, but I written eyes can touch and embrace every object by looking at everything lovingly and carefully. Okay, next, second question. Suggest an alternative title to this lesson. So you can suggest any title. Here I given, see, one doesn't need only eyes to see. Okay, so here this is the title I given. So you can give the title. Okay, eyes are important, or importance of eyes. Okay, so here answer memory means what? You can write another answer also. Okay. Next, third question. Do you think that Helen was frustrated with her fate, or Had she accepted it calmly? Give the reason. So I will tell you. Helen had yes, accepted, yes, her faith calmly, as her quote in the warm up section show. Rather, she had explored her other senses to see the world around. So, in warm up activity, what she told, she given one quote, yes or no? So, she by reading this quote, you can understand that she accepted how she was there. Okay, she was frustrated or how she was. So, you can write your own one. So these are question answers and exercise part we completed in this video. Okay, what you have to do? Yes, after watching this video, you have to write neatly without making spelling mistakes. Okay, you have to improve your handwriting. You have to write down all the question answers in your homework book. Okay, and you have to complete your fair book. Now we completed second chapters exercise also. Now we will move to the next topic. Okay, till you have to wait for my next video. Then watch this video, and daily after completion of the writing, you have to read all the question answers. Very soon I will take unit test. Okay, till take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.